Presenting Samsung Galaxy Watch in the color silver. This circular design smartwatch comes with Super AMOLED display with customizable always-on watch faces. The smartwatch features a 1.3-inch screen with 360 by 360 resolution for easy controls. This smartwatch is water-resistant up to 50 meters. The Galaxy smartwatch comes with 39 built-in trackers to track all your indoor and outdoor activities 24/7. It also features 4-stage sleep tracker, continuous heart rate monitor and stress monitor. Galaxy Watch 4G supports only a built-in embedded SIM to offer cellular connectivity. This allows you to retain the same mobile number as the one on your Samsung mobile. It has a Bluetooth version 4.2 to enable easily connectivity with your mobile. Inside the box, you can find the smartwatch, charging dock, travel adapter, strap and quick setting guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.